Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can change language on Disney Plus. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up any preferred browser, go over to Disney Plus, and make sure you are logged in. And after that, you will be redirected to the main page of the website, where all of the movies and TV shows will be present. So they carry over from device to device. So you will have to do this on any device you're using. If you're watching on your browser, simply open up Disney Plus and then just start playing back a show or a movie in the upper right corner. And here you just have to look for a small square. Just click on it. Open up the language settings on Disney Plus. On the left side, you can see there are the available spoken language option on the right. You can select from all subtitle options, including closed captioning for English. To head back to the video, just click the arrow on the left side corner. As we mentioned, not only do these not carry from device to device, they don't even carry from title to title. However, this language icon is found on all devices, including smartphones and smart TVs. No matter what device you're playing Disney Plus on, and you just have to look for the language button at the top and change both your captions and your spoken language. And finally, if you're looking to change your app language on Disney Plus, it's also pretty simple. Just open up your Disney Plus on your computer's browser and head over to your profile at the top right. Select Edit Profiles, click on the Edit button on your profile, and then drop down menu, the app language options to change what language your app is displayed in. Just save your changes and follow the same steps on each profile on your account to edit your entire account language. And this is basically how you can change language on Disney Plus. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.